Commercial vehicles within East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya have been allowed to ply with regulation by the district transport officer and the district administration. Certain measures have been taken by the government to ensure that SOPs and basic COVID-19 rules are being adhered to by both drivers and passengers alike. The streets of Shillong that have been quiet for a couple of months are once again alive with the honking of horns of passenger-filled taxis and auto rickshaws that ferry commuters from one part of the city to the other. One can see the throng of people at a few junctions across the city. It may be reminded that recently the district administration had issued a notification wherein permission had been granted to the operation of commercial vehicles within East Khasi Hills that would again be regulated by the office of the district transport officer. We're into the second week of the containment measures that have been imposed by the government of Meghalaya. Well, you can see behind me there are a lot of vehicles plying along the road because the district administration has allowed the plying of commercial vehicles. Well, as far as taxis are concerned, arrangements have been made wherein the taxis would ply according to the numbers issued by the district administration. A total number of 3 passengers plus the driver would be allowed in each taxi, while in each auto rickshaw the seating capacity would be 1+2. As for private vehicles, there would be 100% seating capacity, but with the adherence to protocols like the wearing of double cloth mask or an N95 mask, and also adequate ventilation of the vehicle. Those who violate the norm as per the district administration would be taken into account and will be brought to book. Well, with camera person Aiban Marbanyang, this is Bethlehem Dakar for Media Plus Shillong.